let's take the K24 out for a little ripper. Hitting some back roads. Man, I forgot how this thing drives, dude. Like I don't really drive this car that hard, like, cause since it's my daily right now, I don't really get on it like crazy. Hopefully nobody blows this stop sign. I think we'll be all right. I have a lot more roads that I have left to explore. This is kind of close to my house, so we're just kind of having fun for tonight. I wanted to like make a quick little video. There goes an SI right there, dude. Woo! I actually seen him in town and we lined up at the stoplight. Shout out if you watch my video. Let's set up like a fun run, dude, because your car seems like it rips. So I'd like to run a 10th gen just to see where I stand. And he has bolt-ons too, so I think it would be pretty fun. So much power, dude. Literally, guys. Let's do a little baby launch. What is going on here? Let's cruise up here, see what we got. Hopefully it's not a private road. Well, this spot is sick to film, dude. Straight up though, this car rips. More so because I have the VTC upgrade. Into that sunset right there, guys. We got to do one more pull for y'all, guys. Somebody in the last video said something about, or the video before said something about the children of the corn. Dude, I started laughing hysterically when you said that, dude. Damn, I got like hot all of a sudden, but anyways, we're home now. K24 is an absolute blast to drive, guys, especially the torque. So she's gonna be sitting for the week now. I want to keep the miles kind of downish on it. I'm almost at, actually, I think I'm at 4,500 or 5,000 on the fresh swap. So we're going to keep the miles a little bit low and yeah, just have her sit. So I hope you guys enjoyed another vid. Oof, okay, guys, time to relax tonight. All right, so we got the cookies and cream. I got to tell you, I'm super grateful for all of you guys who keep coming back for the continuous support. I'm really glad you like the K24 build just as much as me. So I have so many more plans with it, guys. I want to keep growing, keep doing this stuff. And my next build for sure is going to be insane. Just mark my words on that, guys. This is just, I'm keeping it daily, keeping it reliable, OEM-ish. So I got to get ready for work and all that stuff. So be sure to like, drop all your comments and love down below, and subscribe if you want to see some more content, guys. I have so many more videos planned, literally. So I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace out.